Hello lovelies, welcome to another tutorial Tuesday. So I was unable to drop this yesterday, so when you can start drop a lot away. Okay, for today I'll be teaching us how to use tiny elastic for our palazzo band, that is in the absence of 2 inches elastic or 1 inch elastic. So how to use that tiny one to make our band instead of the big one. So the first thing I did was to cut out my trouser. I've explained that before in my previous video, but if there's any question you want to ask me concerning that, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Mama reply question. So I cut out my palazzo trouser. Normally it will be wider than normal trouser, so I make hip divided by 4, and for the crotch to hip divided by 4 plus 1 inch. I use 1 inch this time around because it's wide and I'm adding band to it, so I use 1 inch this time around. So I cut that out, then I cut the back. My fabric was not enough, that was why I used another ankara for the pockets, because I use this fabric for another style. I will show you guys later. So this is me joining everything. Mo ṣe ń couple gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀ ṣá kó do dídí. Mo fẹ́ join gbogbo ẹ̀. Tó bá ní nǹkan kan tẹ́ fẹ́ béèrè, ẹ free àti béèrè. But mo ń couple gbogbo ẹ̀ pọ̀ ń bíbá mo ti join ẹ̀. So that is that. So for the band, mo máa wọn nǹkan tó wà nínú band ṣòkòtò yẹn. I have 23.5. So mo máa cut out 24. Yeah, I cut out 24.5 here. So 24.5, I'm gonna join 1 inch. Mo cut out 24.5. So 24.5 by 6 inches. 24, you see, 24 by 6 inches. The wideness is 6 inches. So you join it. Mo mú 1 inch kúrò ńbẹ̀. Then you fold it into 2. So to confirm it's 23.5 by 6 inches. Then I'll measure my elastic. The elastic will be half of this thing. That is, the elastic too will be 23.5. Gẹ́gẹ́ kò dín kò lè àbí báwo lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá ṣe máa sọ. So the elastic too will be 23.5. She get the elastic too will be 23.5. So I'm cutting 2 elastics because I'm adding rope to it. Ó máa ní okùn tó máa wà nínú àwọn joggers yẹn. Yeah, okùn tó máa wà nínú àwọn joggers yẹn máa wà ńbẹ̀. So I cut 2. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kò ní sókùn bẹ́ẹ̀, the elastic can be 3. That is 3. It can be 3. But in as much I'm adding rope to it, òun mo ṣe jẹ́ kí elastic yẹn jẹ́ méjì. So you fold it into 2. You put the elastic at the middle. You fold it into 2. I have elastic here. Then you start sewing. It. Okay, so this is me just joining everything. So this is the first layer of the elastic. So for the second step, you won't add the elastic. Ibẹ̀ yẹn ni okùn yẹn máa wọ̀. Ibi second one yẹn ni okùn fẹ́ wà. So you won't put elastic there. You just leave like 0.75 space. Then you just join it. You sew it round. So at the midpoint, you notch the midpoint. That is opening níbi tí okùn yẹn máa wọ̀. A kò máa ra fún ní little notching. Láàrin méjì ibẹ̀ yẹn la máa ti fi pass okùn yẹn. Then after then you put the second elastic, tiny elastic. Then you sew it round. That will be the last elastic. Then you just sew it round. After sewing it round, try and look for ibi tá notch tá fẹ́ fi yọ, tá fẹ́ pass okùn sí yẹn. So ẹ máa notch ibẹ̀ yẹn to get your midpoint. Then you attach it to the trouser. You attach it to the trouser waist. Like then all around. So this is our final look. Then you insert the rope. You insert the rope with safety pin. So this is what we have. It's very simple and straightforward. This is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week.